Number 3, vowel vibrancy. What a happy, friendly soul you are. So pleasant and joyful. You always find the cheerful side of everything. Words are like jewels to be savored, played with, enjoyed, and stored away for use when something special is needed. You wear words and phrases as one would wear clothes. A good conversation is your greatest joy, and expressing yourself is a gift. The words form into colorful, descriptive phases deep in the recesses of your imaginative mind and flow from you like wine. Entertaining in your special creative way is one of the pleasures of your life, whether you have 1 or 100 guests. In fact, the more, the merrier. Friends rarely refuse an invitation unless it's really unavoidable because your parties are always successful. You have a knack for setting the perfect stage and then inviting all the right types to mingle interestingly and easily. No one feels ill at ease because you see to it that everyone has a wonderful time. With this talent you have for words, you do get carried away at times and color the truth a bit. Not that you mean to exaggerate, it's just that you can't bear the colorless things in life and enjoy brightening them up to the point where they are tolerable. Being an entertainer at heart, you thrive on the intent expressions on the faces of your audience and feel you should give them their money's worth, and so you add a bit here and there. It's never meant to harm, and is certainly not conceit, as the word is generally interpreted. When you relate stories of your various feats, you are generally thrilled and with your accomplishments, and speak of them only because you are so amazed and excited about them. You get carried away in order to share the thrill with your friends so that they may understand the excitement of it all. Generosity and kindness make you a happy individual when you are able to share whatever you have, and sad when you have nothing to give. If you were wealthy, you would spend all your money on others, buying all the things they have always wanted and could never afford. It would be your greatest pleasure to sit back and enjoy their happiness if it were in your power to bestow these gifts upon others. If not, you would prefer to retreat into your own little world rather than face the fact that you cannot give to the point you would like. Unfortunately, some will assume this means that you are moody and selfish. Nothing could be further from the truth.